What's up, boys? Skookum. I'm out at the swamp trapping Nutria. Guess what's for dinner? Nutria. Join me for a catch and cook. We're gonna eat this guy. Okay, so I got him hanging up, ready to go ahead and pull the skin off, and we'll give you a time lapse of that. Alright, we got them skinned. So what we're going to do is take from here to here off. That's the back saddle, and that's what we'll be eating. So, alright boys, we got the back saddle right here. I'm going to cut the feet off and then let this guy sit in the fridge for a little bit and wait for the other guys that are going to eat it. And then we'll cook it up and get it done. Alright, so we've got the back saddle out. I put in olive oil and some seasoning on it. I'm going to throw in some onions and garlic. And now we're going to add it all in here. And then we're going to put it in and brown it. Now that it's all browned, I'm going to add water, and then we'll stick it back in the oven for 45 minutes. Moment of truth. Yeah. Nutria. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just be cutting the meat off the bone here. And wow, that looks pretty good. You can see different colors in there. Dark meat, all that. So I'm going to cut it, separate it off, and then I'm going to fry it up with some vegetables. So you just want to get all this meat off the legs, off the back saddle. I mean, that looks pretty good. It's got the texture of turkey, and it kind of even smells like turkey. So, yeah, I'll get this off and get back to you when she's ready to fry. Little oil. We got our pile of Nutria meat. Throw some in there. Got some potatoes and the onions that were baked with it. And we're going to cook that up till it's ready. Alright, I think she's ready to cook up, finally eat some of this Nutria. Right on the plate here with some potatoes. We'll see how she tastes. Alright, so I got some Nutria here, the moment of truth. I fried it up in some oil with onions and potatoes. And it's nice and chewy. Kind of reminds me of like a wild turkey, like the dark meat. It's good though. I don't know why it's so taboo to eat swamp rat. I actually recommend it. I think because we slow cooked it, it made it nice and tender. And then the extra frying process to make sure all that swamp rat stuff is gone. But anyway, thanks for watching, and get you some Nutria next time. Eat it up. Peace and love, y'all.